Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to install the latest ESign in your iOS device. I will show you the right way, and it is not revoked now. If it will be revoked, I will change my title to revoked certificate, so you can choose my right way. So first, to install this, first go to Chrome or Safari. Then search applejail.net like that, applejail.net. Then click enter. You can see many ESign, many things. So the first, you will be redirected to an ad on any click. I'll reload this page to show you again. You will try to install. It will redirect you to an ad. So first close it, then you will see there are many things. So first you have to install the Applejail DNS from here, and that, now click there. Now click on continue and click allow and close. Now you have to go to settings app. In the settings, scroll down and on the URL and look for VPN and device management. Click on that, and you will see here your DNS is here. So click on install. Then it will need your password. Give your password. Then it will be shown here. You will see currently configured DNS. Configure is another site to install, but configure is not working for now. I don't know why, but it is not working. So you'll have to install that. Then back. Then click on that again. Then you'll see DNS. So click on anti-revoke DNS. That the DNS is set up. And now go back to this site again and click on King the URL, because it is the latest working ESign. So click on that install button. It will redirect to an ad. You will see another tab. Close it. Back to your site again. After that, click on the install button and click on install button again. So in the home screen, it will be now installing like that. Wait, sometimes you have to install. You can see it is installed. If you will click on that, the error that understood interface developer. If you are seeing that error, it means that the certificate is not revoked. If you are seeing another error like unable to verify its integrity or internet connection is required to verify this app, it means it is revoked. So now go to settings again. In the general, scroll down. Find device management again. Click on that. You will see Kinga Rural Commercial. Now you have to click on that. So after that, it will be working. The ESign will be working. Just follow the steps in the screen. I can't screen record when it restarted, so I am stopping this recording. After you will restart, you will see a notification like you can now run apps from Kingdom Rural Commercial Bank Company Limited on this iPad or iPhone. So if this notification will come, it means you have finally installed the ESign perfectly. So now open the ESign. You just install. Click on agree, then agree. You can see you will go to settings and services. There is no certificate. So now go to this site again. In this site, you will see ESign, KSign, EScolate and certificate. Click on certificate. So if you feel you have to an app, you don't know what to do. So here is your Kingdom Rural Commercial certificate. Click on download. Now save in files. Now open the ESign again. Now go to file, ESign file. Now import. Then import the file to the last installed in the rural commercial. Now unzip it. Delete the first one. Here you can see in certificate there is a P12 and mobile version, and there is password. First open the password text editor, then copy it. For copying it, click on the P12 extension file, put certificate management, then paste the file, the password that you just copied. Then your ESign is set it up fully. Now if you will go to certificate management, there is a certificate you can see. It is saying revoked, but it will work if you will use the DNS. Now import the IPA file. Install the IPA file that you want. You can go back to this side and click on IPA library. Here you will see many IPA files. There is some jailbreak files. So I will install any of the IPA files. So now save the IPA file. Then import it to ESign. Now click on import to app library. Now if you will go to apps, there is the app. Now click on signature, not install. If you will click on install, it will not work. So first click on signature. After signature is done, click on install. Then click on install. You will go back now. You will see the app is installing. Now you can see the app is installed and perfectly working. So it is working now. So it is the latest working method to install ESign. Make sure that your DNS is all time active. Don't restart your iPhone or iPad. It will revoke your app. If you want to restart, so simply turn the airplane mode on, then restart it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe.